Frogs and toads are common beneficial animals that eat unwanted insects in many backyards across the world, but like most creatures, too much activity can create new problems. While they do get rid of bugs like roaches and mosquitoes, high populations of frogs or toads can be a nuisance, and at worst, they'll attract predators like snakes and large birds. Rather than treating frogs and toads directly, we can treat their food source instead to drive them away. So in this video, we'll show you how to identify and treat a frog or toad problem on your property so you can keep your yard clean and animal-free. To shop for the products featured in this video and learn even more about frogs and toads, click the icon on the top right of the screen or click the link in the description below. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what exactly you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. Frogs and toads are closely related and share similar features. They're both small amphibians that spend their early lives as tadpoles and develop into air-breathing animals as adults. But it's important to know how they're different, especially in a pest control setting. These two animals prefer different environments and can impact how you approach certain aspects of your treatment. Frogs are small amphibians with varying body sizes, but you'll find common backyard species as big as 3.5 inches in length. Their body colors include patterns of green, brown, gray, yellow, and shades in between. Frogs have smooth, wet skin and slimmer bodies when compared to toads. They also have powerful hind legs that they use to jump around. Toads are another amphibious animal, but you'll find common varieties as big as 6 inches in length. They have a more narrow range of body colors made up of different browns. Toads have drier, rougher, bumpier skin and stouter bodies compared to frogs, and their legs are noticeably shorter and more suited to crawling than hopping. Additionally, there are many species of frogs and toads, especially in the United States. Use this guide to differentiate between the two, but be aware that some species are toxic to humans and pets. Use caution and do not handle either of these animals directly. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what your pests look like, check around your property to confirm their presence or find hot spots of activity. When you conduct your inspection, take note of anything that can encourage frog or toad activity as well as the animals themselves. Frogs live near fresh water. You can find them around ponds, in gardens, tall grass, or where there's plenty of leaf litter. You can also find frogs in more widespread areas after rainfall when it's still wet. Be on the lookout for high levels of insect activity. If you find standing water, this can attract mosquitoes, which in turn will attract frogs. At night, you may be able to find frogs near outdoor lighting, where insects gather. Toads aren't as tied to fresh water as frogs are, but they still need a moist habitat. Look around your yard for spots that can retain moisture, like gardens, stumps and tree roots, leaf piles, or other features close to the ground. They have a similar diet to frogs, so you can still find them close to standing water or near exterior lights at night. You can find them underneath loose rocks or debris when they're inactive during the day. After identifying your pests and inspecting for activity on your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep all people and pets off the treated areas until dry. To control the frog or toad population in your yard, you'll need to treat their food sources and employ Integrated Pest Management Strategies, or IPM. Before you start, calculate your treatment area's square footage by measuring the area's length and width and then multiplying them together. You'll use this to determine how much product you'll need to use. Start your treatment with an insecticide like Bifen LP. Bifen LP is a granular insecticide that's labeled to control a wide variety of insects for up to 90 days. We recommend you apply Bifen LP with a broadcast spreader to make the application over your entire lawn faster. On a residential lawn, apply Bifen LP granules at a rate of 2.3 pounds of product per 1,000 square feet of treatment area. Load your spreader with the proper amount of Bifen LP based on the size of your treatment area and evenly distribute the granules. Broadcast half your granules in parallel lines once across the area, then broadcast the other half at a perpendicular angle to cover the area in its entirety. Once you've finished your Bifen LP application, it'll need to be watered in to be activated and to push the granules down to the soil. Do this with an application of Reclaim IT. Reclaim IT is a broad-spectrum repellent insecticide labeled to treat over 70 insect pests for up to 90 days. This insecticide comes in the form of a liquid concentrate, so we recommend you apply Reclaim IT with a 20-gallon hose end sprayer to make a high-volume application that will activate your Bifen granules. To control most insects on your turf, apply the product at a rate of 1 fluid ounce per 1,000 square feet. To use the 20-gallon hose end sprayer, remove the reservoir from the nozzle. Make sure the sprayer's control valve and your water pump are off, then attach the nozzle to the hose. Add the proper amount of Reclaim IT based on your treatment area, then fill the reservoir with enough water to treat the entire lawn. To make sure you thoroughly coat the area and water in the Bifen granules, use at least 2 gallons of water per 1,000 square feet of treatment area. Double check to make sure your control valve and water pump are still off, then reattach the reservoir to the nozzle. Once you've ensured a tight connection, you can now turn the water on. To spray, push forward on the control valve. To stop, simply pull the valve back into the off position. Evenly distribute the entire amount of product over your treatment area to control insects. As you make your application, keep an eye on the amount of product you have left in the sprayer's reservoir. When the liquid in the reservoir runs out, no more product will be applied. Remember, this is to effectively treat common insect pests that frogs and toads feed on. If you remove their food source, you'll encourage them to leave, putting a significant dent in your amphibian problem. Once you've finished applying Reclaim IT, postpone any regular irrigation or mowing in the area for at least 24 hours. Make sure you've checked ahead of time to ensure it won't rain. Also be sure to apply on calm days when wind speeds are low to minimize drift. Prevention is essential to keeping pests in check. Even after you've applied pesticides, the best way to stop pest activity is to make sure it can't happen again. To prevent frogs and toads from becoming regular pests on your property, carry out IPM strategies to make your yard less conducive to their activity. First, turn off any undesired outdoor lighting when night falls. Lights attract bugs, which in turn will attract frogs and toads to the area as well. Since frogs and toads like to live in moist areas, do what you can to reduce your yard's moisture to reasonable levels. If you keep man-made sources of standing water like bird baths, drain them whenever they're not in use. You can also aerate your lawn by raking out leaves and thatch. This not only encourages proper drainage, but will also address some hiding spots that frogs or toads may use. Continue to improve your lawn by mowing and cutting down tall grass and weeds that frogs or toads can hide in as well. Once the frog or toad activity on your lawn has decreased, reinforce your fence perimeters with screens or copper mesh. This will ensure that pests from outside your lawn are more likely to stay out. Finally, continue to apply Bifen LP and Reclaim IT to keep insects off your lawn. You can also apply Reclaim IT with a pump sprayer to spray around light fixtures and windows to keep insects away from the light that attracts them. Bifen and Reclaim both have residuals of around 90 days, so we recommend you apply quarterly for year-round protection. While frogs and toads don't necessarily mean the plague, there are ways to control pest infestations that's gone out of hand. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop frogs and toads from infesting your property, and we offer same-day shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos, and contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.